Hi, I'm Kathleen. Welcome to my channel. So I created this channel for women who are 50 and beyond, like me, who want to feel empowered and confident with beauty, skincare, and wellness products. I have over 50 years experience in this industry, taking me anywhere from a shampoo girl when I first started, working through salons, working for other on-location hair and makeup companies, to owning my own hair and makeup company now, where I have a team of artists that work for me. On this channel, you're gonna find honest reviews, easy makeup tips, simple looks just to enhance your beauty, not to overcomplicate things. I'll also share some behind the scenes of my on-location hair and makeup company, where we mainly specialize doing weddings, maternity shoots, and photo shoots. So what I have found over the years working with so many different women, especially mature women, is what really works for us. And what I want to do is just take that information and bring it to you. So one of the things I like to do for fun on this channel is I love to do these celebrity recreations where I'll find a mature woman celebrity who her makeup she just looks really, really good for her age. And what I'll do is I'll recreate that look based on what I'm seeing in a picture. I don't necessarily run out and purchase any of these products. What I do is I go combing through my products to see if I can recreate this look based on the information that I'm gathering on the internet. And what I'll do is then recreate these looks and bring it to you through a video. Some of the people I've done in the past, I've done Helen Mirren, I've done Martha Stewart, I've done Melania Trump, and more recently I just did Charlize Theron. And this is the makeup look that I have on now because I just filmed that video a little bit earlier. I'll leave a link to these videos in the description box below so that you can sample some of the work. So what I plan on delivering to you sounds interesting, then please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload new videos on Wednesdays and Sundays.